guys, I got another squishy package from Meepow, and this is a trade package. So yeah, let me just open. Like, okay. 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 Oh, she gave me extras. So this is the extra. Is this Hello Kitty macaroon? It's the blue one. It's so soft. So thanks for the extra. And then we traded for this Hello Kitty t-shirt. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. Oh my god. If there is a lesson. So yeah, that's the package. Thanks for watching. Bye.